So I want to share something with you guys really important, really confusing, really frustrating. I bought the DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus V2.0. I bought it with the built-in Android interface, and this is what Facebook does. It never opens. It crashes the entire tablet. The YouTube will not live stream. It only says that I need to enable live stream on my channel, which it already is because I can live stream from all my other devices. I'm going to restart this tablet. I want to show you guys a couple things. And DJI is no stinking help on this. I have called them and chatted and texted with them. And all they keep going back to is the stinking Assistant app. And that's great, but I want to show you what the Assistant app does, okay? So my goal in thinking about this is, okay, this firmware on this controller needs to be reset to the factory so that, you know, I can get a fresh install of the DJI 4 software. So let's plug this rascal on in. Let's open up the Assistant. Now, let me show you what we're going to do. And if anybody has any help that they can offer on this, let me know, because I'm at my wit's end. I am going to show you what happens when I plug the controller into the computer, and it's going to recognize the controller. Let's recognize the controller. There we go. Okay. Controller is plugged in. Computer DJI Assistant recognizes the controller. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and let's do this install. Restore factory settings. Let's click on that. Yeah, confirm. That's really what I would like to do. I would love to be able to do this. And you're not going to get to do it. Factory reset failed. Restart and retry. Every single time it does that. The app in this controller does not work. Now it flies great, okay? Let me just clarify. It flies wonderfully. I have no problem other than it has crashed a couple times while I was flying. Not the drone, the app. The DJI Go 4 Fly app has crashed a couple times while I was flying. You know, the drone just hovers there in the sky and I can still control it. I just have no video feed until the Android screen boots back up. But for $2,500, it shouldn't do this. And DJI should be a little more helpful in what they're suggesting. Their suggestion is, well, did you have the drone turned on at the same time the remote was turned on for live streaming? Wow. Why didn't I think of that? You know, they're going to suggest maybe that I'm going to spend all day on the phone with them tomorrow, and I'm thinking they're going to say, well, send the drone back. I don't want to send the drone back. It's registered. I got my stickers on it. Can you just send me a link or a file that I can put on an SD card, plug into this device, this controller, and do a local install update of that file that they sent me? I don't want to send all this stuff back. You know, it's a pain in the butt. You know, I've already been using the drone. It's great. It's wonderful. I love the 1-inch sensor. It's fantastic. Great video. I love it. I hate this screen. I would never have bought this screen. I should have bought the option where I could just fly with a tablet, and I promise I would have been much happier, because the only advantage I see in this screen is that it's brighter. Can't download third-party apps. Obviously, I can't use Facebook or YouTube. I can only fly from an Android screen. That's it. And that sucks. Really, that sucks. If anybody has any information or any help or things that you might suggest on how to remedy this situation, I'm all ears.